What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tipsy's and Trippy's Adventures. Today, we're redneck fixing Trippy's e-bike.
How to fix an e-bike with not duct tape. Duct tape, yeah, people say duct tape is redneck tape, but duct tape really does suck. You know, what I like to use is fiber tape. See all those little fibers? That's fibers of fucking hemp. No. It's fiber, so no matter how strong you are, you won't be able to break it. E-bikes can break it, but you can't.
I was gonna say, unless you're an e-bike.
Oh, hold on, guys. We got treats here. These are good.
What is this?
A chocolate chip cookie.
Chocolate chip cookie. I imagine this is, you know, guys. Yep.
Well, good. Fuck.
Good cookie, guys. What do we got here for science?
That'll make you feel good. So, the first step is to eat a cookie before you fix the bike. You need to have that chocolate. When you grab the light, you stick it in the hole. And what the fuck? Oh. And it's supposed to twist.
Not working?
Trippy's getting frustrated.
Stop up, man.
Hold up. Oh god.
That's cold, probably.
Oh, there we go. We put it in. You put it in, you twist. Oh, it doesn't come out. And this is the easy part, guys. Well, make sure you stick it. What else there for?
To hold it.
You don't need those anymore.
Still on that cookie?
Oh yeah. Nope.
Yeah! That's how you do her.
Yeah, you get some tape.
Wrap her around there a couple times. Look at that tape job. Oh, they're going over.
Yeah, you need
and under. You need the underbelly.
Yeah. Underbelly here, guys. Now we gotta make sure it works.
Yeah.
So you get out your trusty redneck knife.
Woo! That was a clean cut.
You cut it as you finish eating your cookie. See, I think that took about
Less than 2 minutes.
less than 2 minutes.
Less than
a wet
3 minutes.
ass and a funny.
Yeah, look at that little spot there where he was sitting. You warmed up the ground there for a second. Guys, check out this dam here. Woo! There's the ice that's left in Canada right there.
Okay, we got tail light. Woohoo!
Oh, she works. What do a signal?
Oh no, that's tail light. I gotta find. Yeah.
There's one. There's
I
two.
wonder if that fixed the front light. No, hold on, guys. This might work.
You probably just need some tape on it.
No, front light broke. It's beyond rednecking.
Oh, and that fender's broke too on this side.
Yeah, that was the first day.
You do the white part, Gandhi.
Better, I think, without the white parts.
All right, guys. That's a quick little redneck fix for your e-bike.
Well, we got a rant for tomorrow.
Your lights falling off?
This is just about a rant.
Sneak peek.
People are going to be like, what the heck?
Trippy rant.
Oh yeah, Trippy not happy about this rant. I'm going to pull up the pants and go back. No diving.
Oh, yes, guys. By the way, if you've seen this in the background today, it's because Tipsy's bike is broken. If anyone follows me on Instagram, you see that the handlebars of my bike snapped in half.
I'm bloody Instagram blocked me. I can post, but I can't.
So I got the wife's
anything
bike.
to the post.
Yeah,
I
that's
can't
weird.
say, hey, this is Tipsy. Hey, this is Trippy. I can't. They won't post that. I can't comment. Can't like anything. But I can post.
We're riding the wife's bike today. The only problem with this one is the back motor likes to freeze in the cold. So that being said, we should head out, end this one off. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. As always, stay tipsy.
Stay tripping.
And stay redneck adventure. Something, another.
20 diving bridge thingy danger.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers, y'all.